Welcome back to 5 Minutes of Math. This is Mr. Lunsford, and I am glad you joined me this evening. Tonight's homework is for the evening of March 8th, 2018, and we're looking at volume, and we're looking specifically at spheres and a rectangular prism. Let's get started. Now, this particular assignment is one that I missed because I was out sick, so thank you all for your patience. And we're looking at the volume of spheres. So imagine filling up a basketball or some other round object all the way until there's no space left on the inside. This is what we're talking about with volumes of spheres. So the formula for this thing is 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. And I'm just going to use 1.33 when I use my formulas. We only need one number for this. That's the good news. The radius. And that's 5 yards. Again, our unit's yards. So let's get started with solving this. We have 1.33 times pi times radius cubed, 1.33 times pi times 5 cubed, 1.33 times pi times 125, 1.33 times 392.69, and we end up with a final volume of 523.59 yards cubed. You can call that 523.6 if you like. So that is the first problem. And again, this is just plugging your number into the formula and following it all the way through. The next one here is number 10. Again, our formula stays the same, 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. Our radius this time is 8. That's the only difference between this one and number 9, in addition to the fact that we're using feet instead of yards. So let's go on with our formula. 1.33 times pi times radius cubed. Then we have 1.33 times pi times 8 cubed. 1.33 times pi times 512. 1.33 times 1608.45. And our final volume is 2144.6 feet cubed. That's it for number 10. And we're moving on now to number 11. And this is a pyramid with a rectangle base. Again, we only had 2 spheres to do tonight. So this is a pyramid with a rectangular base. Let's take a look at this. The area for a rectangle, so we have to find the area for that base first, and that's just length times width. And the last step, you'll see in a few seconds. So we have 6.5 as our length, we have 4 as our width, and our volume, our height for our volume is 5. Unit here, we're using inches. So our pyramid volume is 0.33 or 1/3 times the area of the base times height. 0.33 times length times width times height. 0.33 times 6.5 times 4 times 5. 0.33 times 26 times 5. And 0.33 times 130, or 1/3 times 130. We have 43.33 inches cubed, or 43 1/3 inches cubed. All right, that's it. Y'all take care, and remember, math is not just about numbers. It's all about the relationships that surround us every day. Have a good one.